When you open the box, you will find a greeting card from the CEO of the company. Under the card, you will find a semi-rigid zippered protective case that is black with the yellow lighthouse logo. Make sure to store and transport TAMI in its case. In the case, your TAMI is packed in a yellow microfiber pouch with drawstring. Go ahead and remove TAMI from its bag. The protective case has a mesh pocket containing a microfiber cleaning cloth and the charging cable. In the bottom of the packaging box, you will find your user manual. Please be sure to read the entire manual for safety and operating instructions. You will find information on the device in the Device Overview section of the user manual. There are 2 sensors located on each arm in the front part of the frame. The sensors scan the environment with a horizontal field of view of 120 degrees. On the top side of the arms, you will find soft buttons near each arm front. By default, you can use either button independently to perform any of the device functions. The waterproof arms contain a speaker, battery, and electronics. If you flip the device over, you will find 2 magnetic charging ports, one on each arm. The rubberized temple tips can be adjusted for better fit by simply bending them to the form you prefer. Above the tips, you will find plastic enclosures containing vibration motors for tactile feedback. The Eyewear front is interchangeable, so you can choose your style and frame size. The Eyewear front contains lenses that can be replaced with prescription lenses or filters of your choice. The Y-shaped charging cable connects to a standard USB Type-A wall charger. Make sure your wall charger is rated to 5 volts, maximum 1 ampere. Connect each magnetic contact to the charging port on each Eyewear arm. Both arms need to be charged. Plug the adapter into a wall socket. You will hear a chime that confirms the charger is connected properly.